Have you ever been told your x-ray looks fine or your MRI doesn't really show anything serious, but you still have pain, stiffness, or that sense your body's not recovering? Maybe you've tried physical therapy, rest, anti-inflammatories, and something just still feels off. If that sounds familiar, this episode is for you. Today we're talking about why hormones matter in joint and tissue repair, not as the magic answer, but as one important part of the body's healing environment. Welcome to the Wellward Way Show. I'm Dr. Danesh Mazloomdoost, Medical Director at Wellward. Somewhere along the way, healthcare became very good at managing disease, but not always good at cultivating health. This show is about changing that, helping you understand pain differently, move with more confidence, and reconnect with the life that your body was meant to help you live. Today, we're looking beyond the joint itself and looking at hormones, the body's environment for healing. When somebody develops joint or back pain, the conversation usually starts with imaging. We get an X-ray or an MRI and look for things like arthritis, degeneration, or narrowing around a nerve. That information matters. Imaging can be very helpful, but it also has limitations. It shows us where the tissue has changed and where stress is accumulating, but imaging doesn't always explain the whole experience. Some people have severe arthritis on an X-ray, but surprisingly little pain, while others have mild imaging changes and significant pain. So at Wellward, we ask the deeper questions, not just what is damaged, but why is the damage not repairing? Because a painful joint is not always a mechanical problem. It may also reflect the body's inability to heal. When tissue in your body is injured, your body launches a repair process. This repair process requires the right environment. In essence, it needs healthy forms of inflammation, the kind that increases blood flow, directs repair cells to an area of damage, and signals the body to protect itself to allow healing to begin. That means your body needs effective communication internally to use those resources. That's what hormones do. They coordinate cells to work together throughout the body. Your MRI or X-ray may tell us whether the building has structural damage, but it does not tell us whether the construction crew has what it needs to actually do the work. If a crew is understaffed, undersupplied, or poorly coordinated, working in an uncompromised environment doesn't allow for reliable healing. That's what we mean by the repair environment. A tendon, joint, or disc doesn't heal in isolation. It's healing inside a living, moving body. And that larger environment of the living body influences how pain behaves and how recovery unfolds. When most people hear the word hormones, they think of menopause, libido, fertility, energy, but hormones are much broader than that. Hormones are a regulatory signaling environment. Hormones are signaling molecules. They help coordinate the body and influence many tissue throughout. They do not explain every pain problem, but they are worth considering when healing is slow or symptoms seem out of proportion, because they're responsible for helping coordinate cells developing and shifting and molding the body. So when a patient says, my joints feel older, or I feel stiff, or I'm exhausted and I'm not healing well, hormones deserve a thoughtful evaluation. We shouldn't assume that hormones are the cause for all of these situations, but we should not ignore them if they may be part of the healing picture. I want to be very clear. We're not saying that replacing hormones will fix all of your joint problems, and we're not saying that hormones are the answer to every problem. Hormone therapy is not appropriate for everybody, but hormones are a part of the repair environment. And at Wellward, we strive to understand the whole person trying to heal, which may include evaluation of hormones when appropriate. Let's take knee pain as an example. A patient may come in with arthritis, but arthritis is not a single diagnosis that explains every kind of knee pain. It's much more nuanced than that. So we may combine imaging with dynamic ultrasound, physical assessment, movement evaluations, and just take a broader look at that body housing the painful knee. Hormones may explain why the knee can't pick up momentum toward repair, because they can hinder the rest and repair cycle, or they can limit how many resources the knee can pick up from the bloodstream, or change the elasticity of the connective tissue supporting the knee. This is why regenerative care is not just a single-step solution, but a comprehensive strategy around orthopedic care. Regenerative medicine is often misunderstood as simply getting a PRP injection or a bone marrow aspirate concentrate, or what sometimes is called stem cell therapy, into the knee. But at Wellward, regenerative care is more than just a shot. It's a strategy. It incorporates pain mapping to figure out where the problems may lie, real-time imaging for guided payload delivery so that we're targeting the specific structures with the biologic product that's needed, and rehabilitation planning so that we can understand how to get the most out of the biologic injection. And finally, the biology of the patient as a whole, which may include evaluation of their hormonal state. The goal is to create a smarter plan around the tissue, the pain patterns, and the person trying to heal. If what you heard today resonates, if your pain has not responded the way you or your provider expects, and if your evaluation has felt incomplete, this may be a good time to look a little deeper. A consultation at Wellward is a conversation. We want to understand your history, your goals, what you've already tried, and what your body may be trying to tell us. To schedule a consultation or discovery call, visit wellwardmed.com. But before we close, here are 3 things that I want you to take away. Number 1, pain and healing are not just structural issues. The body has a repair environment, and that environment matters. Number 2, hormones are part of that repair environment. They influence muscle, bone, inflammation, metabolism, sleep, and recovery. So number 3, taking a more complete evaluation can lead to more personalized care and understanding why something is not responding the way it should. After all, you deserve more than an image and a standard protocol. Pain does not define the limits of your potential. At Wellward, we look beyond symptoms to understand what's driving pain, limiting function, and interfering with healing. If this episode helped you see your body differently, visit wellwardmed.com to learn more or come see us in person. Until next time, we wish you well on your Wellward Way.